Okay, so like you want to know how AI is like changing healthcare,
Yeah,
but not like in some far off future,
right now.
right now,
Yeah.
like thanks to startups.
Exactly.
Okay, get this. AI is already being used to like improve diagnostics, speed up drug discovery,
Wow.
and tailor treatments to like individuals.
That's
It's
incredible.
pretty wild. We're talking like potentially fewer errors, faster cures, and medicine that's actually designed for you.
Yeah, that's the future, isn't it?
It really is. So for this deep dive, we've got reporting from the Wall Street Journal, stat news, and a bunch of industry reports.
Oh, wow.
Really fascinating stuff. And today we're going to like dive into some real-world examples of how this is all happening. So
Alrighty.
let's get started.
All right.
So what's like really captivating is how startups are applying machine learning,
Yeah.
which are basically like algorithms trained on huge data sets
Massive amounts of data.
to spot patterns and make predictions.
Like imagine teaching a computer to recognize a tumor in an X-ray.
Whoa.
That's machine learning in action.
So it's like having an incredibly fast learner on your medical team.
Exactly.
Can you give us a specific example of how this is playing out?
Absolutely. Take a company like PathAI.
Okay.
They're using AI to help pathologists analyze biopsies for cancer.
So like cancer detection.
Yeah. In one study, their system was able to detect lymph node metastasis in breast cancer patients with greater accuracy than human pathologists alone.
Wow. So it's like augmenting
Yeah, augmenting the pathologist.
repairability.
Exactly. It's not replacing them, but it's helping them make better decisions.
So that has the potential to really reduce errors.
Significantly reduce diagnostic errors and ensure patients get the right treatment faster.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
It seems like these startups are really pushing the boundaries. But what about the cost of developing these systems?
You're right. Funding can be a hurdle,
Yeah.
but if you look at it from another angle, the long-term cost savings
Okay.
from things like early diagnosis and personalized treatment are pretty significant. And that's something investors are starting to recognize.
That makes sense. So it's about looking at the bigger picture. And what about the future? Where do you see all of this heading?
Well, imagine AI-powered apps that could monitor your health data in real time,
Like,
constantly, and alert you to potential issues before they even become symptoms.
that's like preventative medicine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We might even see AI assisting with surgery or designing completely personalized drug regimens.
So AI-driven healthcare isn't some futuristic fantasy.
It's happening now.
It's happening right now.
Yeah.
It's being driven by these innovative startups
Absolutely.
tackling real-world challenges.
They're facing a lot of challenges.
They are. So like what are some of the like roadblocks they're encountering?
Well, one of the biggest challenges is regulation.
Oh yeah, make
The FDA has to approve these AI systems before they can be used in clinical practice, and that process can be very lengthy and complex.
right. And then you have the issue of data privacy.
Absolutely. These AI systems need massive amounts of data to learn, and that raises concerns about patient privacy and security.
Yeah. And there's also the whole issue of bias.
Right. If the data that these AI systems are trained on is biased, then the systems themselves can be biased, which could lead to disparities in healthcare.
So it's like a double-edged sword.
It has incredible potential, but we need to be very careful about how we develop and deploy these technologies.
So AI-driven healthcare isn't sci-fi anymore. It's here. It's being developed by these like scrappy startups.
Yeah, scrappy startups.
And it's facing some serious challenges. Like how do you make sure these super complex systems are actually fair?
It's a huge question.
And how do you keep patient data safe when AI needs so much information to learn?
It's a balancing act for sure.
Big questions, but the potential payoffs are huge. So here's something to think about.
Okay, I'm listening.
If AI can help design personalized treatments, could it also help design personalized prevention strategies? What would that even look like?
That's a great question.
Let us know what you think in the comments.
I'm curious to see what people come up with.
I am too.
All right, well, this has been another deep dive.
It has.
I'm so glad we got to talk about this.
Me too.
Until next time.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.